Hello everybody, today we would like to measure the straight liner. Suppose this is a cylinder, or we can call it a barrier. We want to know several information, and we can make one straight liner for you. The step one, we want to know how many pieces in one circle. There are three time options. Number one, 6 pieces for one circle. It will be looks like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that way, for each liner, it will occupy around 60 degrees. If it is 4 pieces, then for each one is 90 degrees. If 8 pieces, it will occupy 45. So please tell us, number one, how many pieces for your liner in one circle? And number two, please tell us the thickness. We are suggesting when you are trying to measure this, we start from 10, and then we can directly give the number. In China, basically we are using millimeters, so I will show in millimeter. So for this one, you can say it's 3 cm, right? It's 3 cm. And for here, starting from here to here, it's around 2 cm. Now we already get a thickness. Number 3, we would like to know from A to B. Let's go and measure A to B. When we talk about A to B, suppose this is the liner. We don't want this part from this A plus to B plus. We don't want this part because from A plus to B plus, it may be already 1. The dimension will be not right. We want to know the odd surface from A to B on the straight one. Now we would like to show everybody. In the whiteboard we discussed we have to measure from this point to this point. Be careful, never measure from this point to this point, because from this point to this point sometimes it's already 1. So we will also start from 10. This mirror is small, so we will start from 5. From 5 to here. So you can say it's 25. From A to B is 25. This data is very important, so make sure when you provide us this data, it shall be accurate. We really need to know from A to B what is the exact date. You can measure for several times and give me the average for the data. And then in A to B, you can give me the answer here. And number 4, we will do from C to D. We need to know the cylinder from this part. Suppose this is a liner. We want to know from here. Of course, we have to go through this point. From here to here, we want to know how much diameter for that. Longest one, right? We give the longest one. Try to find where exact is the point to make sure that our measurement will go through the circle point and get the longest one. This is a liner. We need to know the height of our liner. And then we can make the shape. At last is the most simple part. We just make sure our liner is stand straight on some leveled floor or solid floor. And then we make the ruler or any other type of thing, make it dip, and make sure that our eyes are on the same level, not too high, we will use the welding method to make it on the cylinder. Basically, we don't want you to provide us the holes on it. If you insisted to make the holes on it, please give us the accurate gap between each holes. For step 7, we would like to know how your teeth looks like. Most of our clients have this type of teeth. This is the most simple one, and some people they have the triangles. We need to know how many triangles of the teeth on your liner. But of course, if you give us a picture, we will know how many on it. We can count on ourselves. Thank you very much.